I've been on a paper chase for months.
What's good? It's your boy G Kid back with another video. Different little surrounding we're in right now, right? Your boy is driving over to go pick up some Advanced Auto Parts. I gotta go get some sway bar links for the front and the rear of the car. Already ordered them, already filled the order. I just gotta go pick them up. So we're gonna slide out of here right now. If you don't know, this is actually in the middle of me recording the break-in process for the clutch. So as you can see here, the car has 401 miles on the new clutch. So what I'm gonna do is actually use this to go get some miles on the car, get the sway bar links, drive home, you know, change that all out. Hopefully if the rain can stop, we can do this. Let's get started. Got the parts in hand, just some CarQuest Premium for now. Time to throw it in the hatch. All right, gang, now that we're in here, this piece right here is gonna be our sway bar link. So that's what we're gonna actually change out. Now, in order to change that out on this side, see this little nut right here? We gotta remove that from this side, and then down here, the same thing on this side. Now, you got to be a little cautious because this piece inside of here likes to spin when you try to loosen this nut. If that happens, we're going to try to get some vice grips on this to hold this, so that way they can stop this from spinning, so we can loosen that nut up. It's going to be the same thing for the top up here. Now, if that doesn't work on the inside of there, we could put actually a little triple square on the inside of there to hold it still, and then put a wrench on the outside to loosen it up. Either way, let's begin. So I just got an 18 millimeter on my gun, and let's see how this works. So I just went for a while with this, and it seems to be spinning on the inside. All right, so what I grabbed here is an M6 triple square. I'm actually gonna put that on the inside of that one piece. I have an 18 millimeter wrench here that I'm gonna use to actually crank it off of there. Just to show you guys what I'm working with, this is what the setup looks like. And this is the M6 and the wrench here. So let's go ahead and crack it loose. Now, if you're nervous, you're gonna have to run into something like this. Get some PB blaster. I'm gonna spray the other side just to get ready. All right, now that I got the top loosened up, I'm actually gonna start the bottom. I'm not gonna take the top out all the way. That'll allow me to have something so it's not wiggling around in here. Now the bottom is completely off of there. Let's finish taking this top loose, and then we should be all set. And just like that, gang, sway bar link is out. All right, so right here we have the new one, new nuts that come on the new one. And then also we got these plastic shields we just gotta take off. This prevents the joint from moving around when it's not on the vehicle. All I'm gonna do is take this nut off of here and remove this cover. Perfect. This piece goes, and then we just do the other side. Now, in order to set this up, both nuts are off of there. I'm gonna slide it into place. Onto the bottom piece, and then one into the top. All right, now one thing we want to watch out for when I'm putting a new one on is just making sure that that inside piece isn't spinning on us. Alrighty, gang, we're all set with this side. I'm gonna go ahead and knock out the other side, follow the same steps to get that side off of there. Then we should be all set. Let me go ahead and wrap that up, tighten the car up, and then get back to you. One thing I want to point out is on the inside of these new ones, a size 17 actually fits on the inside to hold it in place. That way when you tighten the inside, you can hold it with this one. One wrench on the outside nut, one wrench on the inside holding it in still, and then tighten it down. All right, just took the car for a test drive real quick. Feels so much better, so much better. If you honestly need to do this change, I hope this video helped you out a ton. If you want to figure out how to change your rear sway bar links, make sure to press up in the corner. I'm gonna put the link up there for that video. That'll be dropping soon as well. I'm gonna change out the rear sway bar links on here. Got a little clunking happening in the back from that as well. Just want to tighten it and button it all up so that way we can make sure we're getting the most performance to the ground as possible. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe button. Can't wait to see you in the next video. It's your boy signing out. Peace.
Okay, what's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months. All in all, I can't just get enough. I know. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months.